Hi everyone. So today you can see this BMW 5 Series has come for a major job which involves the suspension, brakes, lower arm, upper arm. So let me show you the issues which are there in this car and why we are replacing these parts. So let me start with the brakes. So you can see this one is the worn out brake pad and this is the new one. So you can see the thickness that this is completely worn out. Similarly, you can compare these two. This one is worn out and that's the new one. And when you do the brake job, you have to replace these sensors. So that's the old one and this is the new one. And we have also done the disc skimming. So mostly it's required to get the disc skimmed when you do the brake job. So that's the control arm and you can see the bush is completely worn out. And this is the new bush which will be replaced in this place. And these two are lower arms and even their bushes will be changed. So that's the existing bush which will be removed and this is the new bush which will be put in this. And this is the upper arm and these are the bush for that. And these are the old linkages which will get replaced with these new linkages. Similarly, these steering ball joints and the tie rods will also get replaced. So these are the old shock ups which has gone bad. So we will be replacing them with the new shock ups. And those are the buffers and mounts which will get replaced. Okay, so along with this we will also be doing the regular servicing of this car. And these are the service parts. So first we will do the servicing. That's the air filter. On the right side this is the old one and this is the new one. You can see the condition. Same is with the AC cabin filter. That's the old one and this is the new one. This is the oil filter. The right side one is old and the left one is new. And this is the diesel filter which will get changed. So that's the diesel filter which is getting replaced. So that's the old oil. You can see the condition of the oil. So we'll be replacing this oil with fully synthetic oil. We're replacing the oil filter now. So all these old parts we always return it to customer so that he's aware that these parts are changed. That's our standard process. So now you can see we are putting the fully synthetic oil in this. So it's always recommended to put fully synthetic engine oil for all the premium cars. So now you can see we have replaced the bushes in the lower arm, upper arm and control arm. So the bushes have been changed now. So now we will do the installation job. So you can see these are the old shocks. The assembling of new shock is complete. We will install them in the car. Now we're fitting the steering ball joint. That's the lower arm which is getting fitted. So you can see the suspension job is complete of one side. This is the front left side which is completely done. So that's the new air filter which we are installing. So now we are doing the rear brake job which is electric brake. So we need to do it via scanner. So finally this car is ready now, and we have seen the work that we have done. So when we deliver the car, we polish it completely. Entire interior also neatly clean. So if you're looking at such quality jobs, you can get in touch with us. We are based out of Mumbai. You can call Autorounders on 7666 930 930.